thanks for stopping by. I'm Eddie, Bob's brother. Bob was a Vietnam vet, firefighter, turned artist. Sadly got a little Parkinson's, can't paint anymore, but don't worry, the friends and family are here to help. We're going to make his art go digital, put it in that Facebook metaverse thing that's coming out. It'll be in all the buildings. You can hang it on the wall like this one here. You can take it, put it digital, share it with your friends. Like it or not, the world's going digital. So be a part of it. There's a link down below. You can click on it, add your email so we can get a hold of you, and then get some free digital art we set up for you already. That's right. It's free. Okay, go do it. Then pass this link on so we can make it go faster. And once we put you in the digital art world, which you don't need to know anything about, we'll do it for you. You'll start getting emails from us telling you how we're doing in the progress. And there's some Facebook links down there with all of his art now, so you know we're real and things are going to be moving along fast. So get on the horse. Let's ride this puppy. We'll see you later.